Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to change block color in AutoCAD. I have this drawing and we have chair block. You can see that. And now I want to change the color. How we can change the block color? We have two methods. First, I will go by layer. You click on layer properties and you will find your chair, and this is my chair layer. I will select this one and I will change the color cyan to green. Then OK. Close the layer. Now in one shot, all the chairs color changed from cyan to green. So this is the first method. Second method is by block edit. Double click on the block editor. Select the block I want chair and then click OK. And now this block editor window will open here. Here we have to select the chair and type ch, change properties, and here you select the color. I will select red, and then I will close the editor, save the chair. You can see that the color changed from green to red. So in this way we can change the color of any block in AutoCAD.